Långholmen in Stockholm. And we are just doing a little bit of history walk, looking at the old Swedish Alcatraz.
Yeah, here's a map over the whole shebang.
It's a small island.
That is. So we can stick to this part of the highway sometimes. So how about we just walk here and have a look at the prison? You know, here's the backyard.
Mm-hmm.
We can even have a look at the isolation area here and the
Yes.
recreation area. And then we can just either go like this, or if we just wanna.
No, we shouldn't go far. Just enjoy a little bit.
No? Oh, you did? Yeah, we measured how many criminals there were at the Millennium passing. How many? There were, if I remember, there were mostly assault and thievery.
So like small time crimes?
Yeah, it was. And here's the thing, this place was actually the last, where the last death penalty was executed in Swedish history. 1974, if I don't remember. By guillotine.
Guillotine?
Yes,
1974.
indeed.
I don't think so.
Oh, yeah. Trust me.
Okay.
I might get the wrong. I'm sure someone's gonna point it out. But it was actually not that long ago.
No, but I think the last guillotine was in France in 1960 something.
There is actually a guillotine in the inside here. You can have a look at.
Cool.
In the museum. And the guy executing the order, his name was what was his name? I don't remember.
Hellström.
Probably Bob.
Sven Hellström.
Yeah, that's right. No, but he was he was the landlord of some rental apartment as well, a complex.
Uh-huh.
And the kids living there, they are apparently they were very well behaving.
Because he was an executioner.
Oh yeah. So this is the backyard. Now there's even a school there. Jensens grundskola.
Doggy.
Dog loves it here.
Oh yes, I can understand. But very nice history, honey. You should continue. People love history.
Mostly I'm quoting Leif GW Persson mostly.
Yeah, but still, people love them when there is history teaching on the video.
Well, small beach up here.
Yeah, it's a very nice one.
Yeah, and here are the cells, all the prison cells.
Yeah, these were the prison cells.
Indeed.
I mean, they have a very nice view.
Before this was a prison, this used to be a like a tailor's. They sent people, less desirable people were sent here.
Less desirable people.
Yeah, I think you can guess.
The undesirables.
Yeah, who they were. So they were sent here to work on the clothes, basically.
And now it's a cafe.
Exactly.
funny that you literally get a little bit of.
It's very good.
No, but you see now it's set up as a coupling area. But this is where the prisoners were kept in like their free area. No.
You can get some shots here.
Yes. To show how beautiful Stockholm is when you find the right place.
We're just talking about the that little boat doing some drifting on the lake. It's like, this is your captain. This is my first tour. I'm not licensed, but I'm a fast learner.
And a little drunk.
Yes.
Don't worry, my teacher sits here with me.
Yes. Who's also drunk.
Exactly.
We were drinking yesterday together.
I hope you can all swim. If not,
We have three like a lead boiler inside.
yeah.
It's floating in rings. I wonder if that's just a regular ferry.
I think it is.
Sure.
Shall we go?
Yes. We can do like a live recreation when we come home.
Whoa.
What we missed. I can.
I think I already have a view of Zoli when he's in his underwear.
Yeah, exactly.
I think I have a video of you when you are in your underwear.
She's gonna add like those.
But that's gonna be a bestseller.
It is a bestseller indeed. Oh. So beautiful. You know what? Wouldn't mind living here. Look at that garden. Whoa.
And there are people living here, like a regular.
Yeah, of course.
apartment. So it's not unheard of.
So that was Långholmen, and here is a big transparent of it. This was the Långholmen Hotel, once prison, and I think these houses were the prison guards and probably supporting personnel. Do you want to give us a little explanation where we are?
Well, we are almost where we should be. That's all I'm saying.
Missing my whole head from your shots.
Exactly.
Like a tailor's place, you know, where people were